Hey folks, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to change the rear and the front wiper blades on a 2017 Ford Focus hatchback. On the hatchback, the rear blade is a 13-inch blade, and I'll leave a link in the description below of the proper blade to buy for a refill. This has got a different type of arm. It doesn't lift all the way up and lock out like a normal front wiper arm does, and the holder is not a hook type holder like a typical front is. It actually just pops in, so it's gonna kind of make you feel like you're gonna break it, but you won't. Just hold the arm up, get the wiper refill, and give it a good push out like that with your thumb, and you can see in here how it's just got a bar, and then I think you can see here how there's a notch right there for that bar, and it just snaps on. You take your new blade, you just get that bar lined up, and be careful not to get your finger in here so you don't get pinched. Hold that part with your thumb and just snap it in there. Once it snaps in, it's fine. It'll be good to go. So it's really not difficult, but it's hard if you don't know how that comes out. It makes you feel like you're going to break the thing. On the front wipers, these are overlapping wipers. They operate like this. They're both 29-inch refills. The driver's side is the A and the passenger side is the B, and I'll leave a link in the description below on the proper blades to buy to replace these. Because they overlap, Ford recommends putting the wipers in a service position, which actually puts the blades vertical. To do that, you put the key in to the ignition switch, you turn it on without cranking the car, turn it back off, and then you hold down the wiper lever for a couple of seconds, and then the blades will come up vertical and they'll stop. So he's going to put the key in, turn it on, turn it off, hold down the wiper lever. They go to that position and stop. So now you can change the blades. You just lift it up off the windshield. Right here on each side, some ridges, one on each side, and that's a release that you push to get this out. You take that and you squeeze those sides, and the whole thing will kind of rock out and come out of the holder. And you can see there's a little curved hook here that goes in this hole right here on the blade itself. Now these blades are different than most. They've got a natural bend to them, as you can see, and that's so that, because it's so long, that's so that the ends of the blade stay pressed down onto the windshield. So that's why they look a little odd. So what you do is you take that hole, put it on this hook, and then just snap it in. Then you can lay it back down on the windshield. Then you got to put the wipers back in normal mode. Put your key in the ignition and turn it on without cranking, and it'll put the wipers back in their standard position. Just like that. And then you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped you. Check out some of my other videos. Subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you and God bless.